In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Google Tasks, allowing you to efficiently manage your tasks directly from your spreadsheets. We'll guide you through the straightforward process of creating and managing tasks without leaving Google Sheets. This integration is a fantastic tool for those who rely on these Google services to stay organized and productive. First, head over to your browser and open Google Sheets. For those new to Google Sheets, it's a powerful online spreadsheet tool that's part of the Google Workspace suite. You can easily access it by going to the Google Sheets homepage and either selecting an existing spreadsheet or creating a new one. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, you'll notice that Google Tasks is already integrated into your Google Workspace. This means you won't need to download any additional tools or applications. Google Tasks offers a handy way to jot down and manage your to-do lists and schedules, ensuring that you always know what needs your attention. Now direct your gaze to the right-hand side of the screen where the toolbar is located. You should be able to see a small checkmark icon which represents Google Tasks. Clicking on this icon will open the Google Tasks sidebar, which is where you will manage your tasks for today's exercise. When the sidebar opens, you'll find an option that says Add a Task. Click on this option to start creating a new task. You're about to add your first task, and this is a simple way to keep track of small projects or daily tasks directly while working on your spreadsheets. For your task, begin by typing a title. This title should be concise and clear, briefly summarizing the task you need to complete. It's helpful to use keywords that you associate with that task, making it easy to identify later on. After entering the title, there's a space for more detailed information. This is where you can elaborate on the specifics. Consider including steps, specific details, or notes on what needs to be accomplished to complete this task efficiently. More detail ensures you never forget even the smallest aspect of your task. Once that's done, it's time to schedule your task. To do this, click on the calendar icon. This will allow you to set a date and time for the task. Scheduling not only helps manage your time effectively, but also allows Google to remind you when it's time to get started on or complete the activity. Aligning tasks with specific times helps assert control over your day and priorities. And that's it. By following these steps, you seamlessly integrate Google Tasks into your Google Sheets workflow. This integration makes task management an effortless aspect of your daily routine, keeping all your important information at your fingertips as you work. We hope you find this method practical and that it enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.